That's a campfire, alright. That's a candle. Come on, Josh, don't blow it.
What is that?
That's a
That's
camp.
really hot, kids.
Oh God, it's. Josh, don't.
Don't blow it. It's one of those wood wick candles.
Oh yeah, Steven likes those.
Yeah, but apparently this is what happens at the very end. Stay away. See how hot that is? It's red hot. It's burning. It burnt my finger when I put it out of the way and I used my
Part of it is melting.
Yeah. I'm not quite sure what to do right now.
Flour.
Flour?
Yep.
Why don't you just get a whole bunch of water?
No, because water will make it spit. Yeah, Steven has oven fires all the time, and that's what he's supposed to put on them.
Where?
Oh my God. Josh, no water.
I hit my finger.
Hmm.
So you just throw flour in it?
Ah, that didn't work.
I didn't make.
Oh,
Yeah, you just sold. Oh,
But-
you might not even need.
it's hotter, I think. Whoa.
Holy cow! Careful, Josh.
That's a house fire waiting to happen. Huh?
I have never seen a candle go like that.
I'm glad I recorded it.